with scores by using Google Forms. Now open the Google Forms from the Google Drive. Now after opening the Google Form, you can create the question for the quiz or for the online test. You can also go to the tutorial for designing of questions from the Google Form from the link. Now after designing the questions, you have to tap on the top right corner of the screen with the three dot. Tap on settings. Now you have to select quizzes. Now you have to enable the make this quiz button. Now after this, save it. Now the questions that you have prepared, you have to tap on individual question to set the score and the correct answer. Now how you will do it? Suppose this is my question. Select the category of the question. It may be an MCQ, it may be a checkbox, it may be a short answers, etc. After giving your options, tap on the question and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see a check symbol. Tap on it. When you tap on that symbol, it will open the score or the points. Set the score or points according to your quizzes or online test. Suppose I want to set 4 points or 4 score for this question. Now you have to select the correct answers. So whatever the correct answer you will select, you have to tap on that. Suppose I have selected this answer as my correct answer, and after this click on the done option. Similarly, you have to click individually on every question. And you have to set the answers accordingly. In the same way, if your question contains the paragraph questions, now you can set the answer to the paragraph questions by clicking on the same icon, and it will ask you the correct answer. So write your correct answer, but remember the cases. The answer that will be entered by the user should match the answer of your selected answer in the form. After this, writing the correct answer, click on the done button. Now your Google form is prepared with the scores. As you can see, the total scores that you have given to the number of questions. Now after this, you have to tap on again the top right corner of the screen with 3 dots and select the preview option. So as you can see, the marks that are written at the right hand side, at the top you can see. Suppose I had given these answers. And after clicking on the submit button, you can see the scores also. So as you can see, the scores will be displayed. So 8 points out of total 9 points you will get. So whatever the answers that are corrected will be scored with the points, and the answers which are incorrect will be displayed like this. So in this way, you can create your quiz or online test with the Google Forms. If you want to check the responses, then go back to your Google form and you can check the responses individually and the summary of the responses. So I hope you like this tutorial, so please like and subscribe.